Hey y'all, I am back today to show you how to cancel an Amazon order. The first thing you want to do is open your Amazon app and navigate to the bottom. There's a little person and you click on it to view your orders. Once you've clicked on it, you're going to see your orders. You're just going to scroll down to the order that you want to cancel. You have to make sure it hasn't shipped yet though. These are for items that are preparing to ship. So I'm going to click on the yellow bathing suit because it's not supposed to arrive until mid-August. You can see that I've ordered it, but it hasn't yet shipped, so I am able to request a cancellation. I think you can also request a cancellation if it's shipped, but highly likely it won't happen since it's obviously already in the mail. So from this screen, you're going to go ahead and scroll down, and there will be an option to view or change the order or cancel the order. In this case, we are going to click on cancel order in order to cancel it. From that screen, you are going to be taken to a separate screen where you're going to choose your cancellation order. You will note there at the top, it says cancellation is not guaranteed. It is being prepared for shipment, and they're going to do their best to cancel the items that you select. And then from there, just go ahead and select your cancellation reason. It is optional. In this case, I'm going to choose that I am canceling it because the items would not arrive on time because I wanted to use the swimsuit in July, not in August. So once I go ahead and click on that, you're going to just be prompted to finalize the request cancellation, which is that long rectangular yellow button there at the bottom. After that, you will get a notification that the cancellation request has been sent to the third party or to the shipping center. It'll give you your order date, the order number, your total, and basically let you know that they'll email you to let you know if the order has been canceled or not. I have gotten some rejection emails, but in this case, it says there was a successful cancellation of my items from Amazon. I got that email a few minutes later, and obviously the reason is probably because it hadn't shipped yet. I hope this was helpful. Give me a like and a comment if it was, and I'll see you next time. Bye.